unmarried people success in their life very quickly, but in personal life, in his personal life, like Salman Khan, you don't know.
कौन कहता है कि कफन सिर्फ सफ़ेद रंग का होता है? कौन कहता है कि कफन सिर्फ सफ़ेद रंग का होता है? मैंने तो तमाम लड़कियों को लाल लहंगे में दफन होते देखा है. A very lovely good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Again, we have come back with an amazing topic, and we will be sharing opinion on the topic of married life versus unmarried life. And they are supporting married life, and they are supporting unmarried life is best option for all the people. And they have their own opinion. Let me tell you the reality of the society, some of the lines initially, and then we will have debate. You know what is going on in our society? A father is earning money since morning till evening, even though like 3 years, 4 years, and after that he completely spends his money in wedding. Completely he spends his money in wedding. And on the other hand, when we see the society, it is becoming more corrupted. And in the name of marriage, so many people are doing business. And they have starting doing business. They are getting married, then divorce, they have money. Because the government, they have announced there is compensation. If you forcefully marry and then divorce, so you have to give this much compensation. So some people, they have make it fun, or they are doing. So I'm not going to have my opinion. So let's listen the opinion, Mr. Farhan's opinion. And what do you think that why was not supporting married life is good?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say thanks all of you in today's debate, unmarried life versus married life. So we support unmarried life is good. Because unmarried life is good, you can live like a freedom. If you do marry, so you can't live like a freedom. Like you have to do anywhere, ask your wife. Do anything, ask your wife. Like if you unmarried, so no need to ask. Anywhere you want to go, you can go. And so many people is living in Saudi Arabia. His wife is living here. They are doing zina. And
Yes.
so many example are here. Like his husband is living Saudi Arabia.
Do not indicate any persons
No.
here.
No.
Otherwise, in family there will be
Name, I will not. He is living from 5 years, and his son is 2 years, 1 year. How it is happening?
Oh my God.
And one case is due in Fatehpur. His husband is living in Saudi Arabia, but his friend come and he doing, and after that, sometime the wife is pregnant.
Oh my God.
After that, he know what is happening here.
Oh my God.
After that, he tell, give me the divorce. It is happening.
Yes. Good.
So hello everyone, my name is Waris Nawaz, and I am a side of a married life. So if you see any type of research, you observe that 80% of rape cases create upon unmarried life. Why? Only 20%, 28% rape cases is included in married life.
Yes.
So, and second point, you say that we don't have freedom. Who says that we don't have freedom? We do have, because you seeing from far away, it's not mean that we don't have freedom.
How we have freedom? Just elaborate.
Like
how we have freedom?
we have freedom to
Just,
cook.
If you married, right?
Yeah.
So if you want to go to Manali alone, you cannot go with your friends. Your wife will pressurize whether go with me or not.
Yes.
So you don't have this much freedom. But when you are unmarried, completely free to go anywhere, this and just if you have any encounter, just elaborate how we have freedom after getting married.
If you unmarried, you don't happy from other side, because you think that I am alone and I will be happy. That this is impossible. That you can't be happy in unmarried life. Yes.
It is impossible.
Yeah.
It is impossible.
Like you can watch
But it is practical of.
Salman Khan. You know Salman Khan?
Yeah, I know.
Yes.
And he do marry.
No, but it is
And he is no, you know, Aishwarya Rai. He want to, and he want to marry with her, but he don't. He know what happened after marry, and you know, Ratan Tata. He don't do marry.
what a great contributor.
He's a great man of India,
Yes.
and his company right now is earning so much. How can you say?
The freedom, the real freedom you have when you don't marry, and you can also pursue your goal when you don't marry.
Unmarried people success in their life very quickly, but in personal life, in his personal life, like Salman Khan, you don't know how it feels to be unmarried. So how can you say that he is living a happy life?
You know how he is feeling? You know?
Yeah, I know.
How
You say if you say offline pictures of Salman Khan, you see the face is rude and the face is sad.
No, he's so many old years. That is why his face is down.
That's not the kind of answer I want. This is
You want to share?
Yes.
What is that?
Like if you do marry, so you have to so much fighting each other, to woman and the husband and wife. Like you have experience, I have experience, and
I don't understand.
and daily I work. Yes, I have.
Experience. We see in a family, we see in a society.
Yes, they are doing fighting each other. If you don't marry, no need to do anything.
Don't take this risk.
who tell you that married life is sad? Who tell you? How can you no? If you see 80% of people living good life with Mary. If you see 20, it's all about how you see, how you're thinking. It's all about.
Now let's have the another person's opinion. Then we have some questions, right? So you first of all, who shared opinion?
Hi everybody, I'm Mohammad Faiz, and I would like to say thank to teacher for having me wonderful opportunity. And
Speak loud.
my question is, if you are not married, if you are not married, you can go you can go side zina. You can go zina side. What do you think?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yes.
What do you think?
Very good
You
point.
can commit sins and unlimited.
Yeah.
You have answer.
Yeah, this is me, Muhammad Abu Huzaifa, and I would like to say thanks all of you and thanks to Qari Ishan having this wonderful opportunity. So, Muhammad Faiz, you said who person married, so who split the zina, you know, and you can how can you say only zina with his wife? How can you say? Listen.
What did you say?
Listen. You can say if you are unmarried, you are married, you have wife, and you can do zina his wife.
No.
Another person's wife.
No.
Another person's wife.
Yes, another person's wife. You can say you can do.
If you are not unmarried, if you are not married, if you are not married, you can go side zina. You can go. Repeat.
Absolutely. Complete the sentence.
You have
Completed.
gone.
You have gone zina side. So what do you think about this?
Listen. If you are not unmarried, so you have right now so many person has girlfriend boyfriend. That is why, and so many person has in childhood nikah.
Why are you saying that, right?
No. Listen.
Listen. Why are you saying that? Mary and
Can I ask a question?
First of all, yes.
This is my question.
This is what he is saying.
I can, if you are not married, so you can go on side and side zina side and propose girl and affair matters and another what do you think? Please.
So who are saying if you are married, so how can you cannot do zina? In married life, so many person do zina.
No.
Any other wife?
Responsibility, that's very less.
Yeah.
After getting married, people, they have responsibility. They take care of their children or their wife.
But any other wife, so many cases, any other wife.
It has been said, I will not speak. He is saying that, so many cases also there after getting married.
The thing is, I want to continue his question.
Okay, that you can.
Okay. You know, in 18th century, Bal Vivah. You know?
Yeah.
You know?
Child forced
You know?
marriage.
In now present time, the boys hanging around and girls hanging around and propose each other. Why? That's why in past the parents of children would married children's, yeah, because of don't commit any type of sins, yeah.
That is why. But right now, after 30, 40 people are getting married. After 30, 40, if you will marry, so we have some natural feeling. According to the age, our mind, it releases some chemicals. So that is why people, right now the rape cases, so it is happening because of these. Because people think that we have very much time. Yes, Dr. Sahab, we have answer.
Yes, early marriage. Please.
Finally, he supported marriage.
No. Early Yeah. Nowadays, girlfriend, boyfriend, he relationship, and if he cannot any reason not talk, he cannot talk and he cannot meet, then he depression because he cannot talk.
When the breakup is there, right? Some of them, due to depression, people commit suicide as well.
If he fully destroyed.
And start going through alcohol and smoking.
And mostly drinking and absorbs in drugs in marriage life. This is depression.
If your girlfriend would
No, this is marriage life is divorce in also drink alcohol and
best opinion is you have to get married. 28%.
What about Aftab and Shraddha case?
Yeah, I know.
yes.
And he was living in a relationship, and he pulverized, boti.
What are you doing?
You know this thing. So he was living in a relationship.
This is not art class.
So, right. He was living in a relationship, and due to relationship, and if you marry, you have pressure of father-in-law, son-in-law, and in your relatives, you have all this family. So you cannot do this thing.